everyone, this is Joanna. Welcome to my channel. This is gonna be a vlog. Get ready with me and just take you along with what I'm gonna do today. And there's gonna be a little bit of shopping, a little bit of cooking, you know, those kinds of everyday day. So I'm gonna show you my dress. I never wear dresses. I've bought two maxi dresses, and I really like them. So I'm going to show you what they look like because they are currently on sale. And I'm going to show you the first one. So this is my dress. It is leopard kind of print. Oops, sorry, I just dropped my phone. And it's very long, maxi. It's nice and tight here at the bust area. The thing I don't like about it is these, you can't loosen them or tighten them. They're set, so I don't know what I'm going to do about that. It sits nicely on the boob area, nice and tight here, nice and long and flowy, but not too like you still have a form. See, it's not too like a tent, not like a tent. So that's what I like about that. And I've paired my dress with a little pearl, and because my hair is disgusting, I made a little top bun, and I'm going to put a little bit of makeup on because I don't feel like wearing too much, and I'm going to show you my makeup look. Okay, so I put on a sample from Clinique, which is called Sun-Kissed Bronzer. It's this here, and that's what's on my cheeks, and I'll show you what it looks like. I don't know if you can see the color. It's called Sun-Kissed, and I'm also wearing Gold Rush for blush. And the lipstick I'm wearing is, hang on, let me show you. It's this one here. It's the Revlon, and it's called High Impact Coral or something like this. It's got a little sponge. Now, the first time I put this on, I put too much and it took forever to dry. So just put less on, and yeah, I'm not going to put, I just put a little bit of concealer on. I don't feel like wearing too much makeup today, so that's my look. Perfume. This was £12. It's the Rosy line. It's peony and something else. This is what the bottle looks like. It's sold at Marks and Spencer's. And you should smell it. If you like floral scents, like roses, you'll definitely like this. But it's very fresh. So it smells like a flower, but it also smells like it has like cucumber in it or something. So it's very fresh. My boyfriend really liked it. He said I smelled really nice. So yeah, check this out. Rosy Autograph M&S, £12. Really nice. Did I say that my dress was from New Look and it's sold for £20 and it's a size 16, I think. So yeah. So I got in a few hours ago and I had lunch. I made pasta with peppers and, you know, that Dormio, whatever it's called, Dormino sauce, and fresh pasta. Really nice. And then I got some things I'm going to show you in a minute. I got two maxi dresses and a skirt. I'm going to show you what I bought so you can get a picture. Get an idea, not a picture. Because why would you want to get a picture? And I'm going to have some coffee now and mark because I'm marking from home at the moment. So yeah, I'll show you in a bit. Okay, let's talk about hair. I've never really talked about straightening my hair. So I had a shower. I'm using the so what do I, as shampoo? In terms of shampoo, I use the Aussie shampoo, and I also use the Garnier mask with shea butter and coconut oil and banana scent or something like that, and it is really good. It makes my hair really soft. It doesn't weigh my hair down. So what I do is I just dry my hair a little bit with a towel, and then I put this oil, which is the Nooks multi-purpose oil. This is quite pricey, but I've had it for ages, and look, I use it all the time and it doesn't finish. So it's good value for money. I put it in my hair when my hair is wet because I put quite a bit and I don't want it to weigh down my hair. And then I just dry my hair. I'm going to show you what my hair looked like later on. I dry my hair with my Bubbyless hair dryer, which is really good for traveling as well because you can put it like it becomes smaller. Look, really small, compact. It's as big as my face. Don't know what that means, but anyway. And my straightener is professional ceramic. That's what it says. And it is, again, what is it? I think it is, it's from a brand called Easy. I got this from Greece. Knock on wood, I've had this for like 6-7 years. And I like because the thingies, what are these called? I don't know. The plaques, whatever they're called. The ovens, the cookers, they're really, the hobs, they're really wide, so you grab loads of hair when you're doing it. So I'm going to, and I always separate my hair in bits with like little klameraka. That's what we call them in Greek. I don't know what they're called in English. What are these called? Don't know. Leave a comment down below. What are these called? In Greek they're called klameraka. So yeah, so I just separate my hair in sections and then I straighten it. So I'm going to dry my hair. First I'm going to put the oil, the dry oil, and I'm going to dry my hair, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to get like a really good result with inexpensive products. Like the most expensive product here is probably the straightener, and it was only like €50 or something. So yeah. So we'll be back with the final hair. And I haven't forgotten, I'm going to show you the dresses I got in a minute. Well, when I finish my hair. So let's move on. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like when I haven't used the straightener. It's straight. It's not like curly or anything. But I do like it straight, like flat. So I'm going to show you the rest of my process. Okay, and this is my hair, nice and straight. So yeah, nothing much, didn't take a lot of time. And yeah, I'm going to show you the clothes and then I'm going to finish off this vlog. So this is the dress, number 1. I think this is more for an evening, for a wedding, an important event. Very flowy, beautiful flowers. It's navy blue. It has a tie here and the neck is very up there. I got a size 16 and it was £45 and I got it for £35. So that's why I couldn't resist. Does this look like a dress that costs £35? Did I mention the brand? The brand is Klass. That's what it's called. Let's move on. Dress number 2. So this was from Debenhams, and it's the brand Principles. Different neck lines, and again maxi dress. Nice finish over there. It's a bit flowy. I'm going to film a video where I'm wearing all these, so don't forget to subscribe. See the plug. And this was a size 18. This was £25. It wasn't in the sale. And then finally, this skirt from Next. I really liked the flowers. It's got buttons here. Nice little buttons. And then it's very flowy. There's a little slit here, which I'm going to get sewn so it doesn't open because I don't wear things like that. And yeah, so this was from Next. This was a bit pricey, but I liked it. So £26. And I got a size 18. This is also available in petite and tall. And I was thinking, you know, I'm going to put a nice t-shirt on top or something like that. So yeah, these are my dresses and my skirts. And this is what I got today when I went to the shops. So thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see the try on. I've bought several summer maxi dresses, so if you're into that, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Let me know what you've been up to today, and yeah, have a nice day. Yasas, Vilaga, bye.